Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Street Talk. Hi, I'm Sophia. Friends, today we are learning something very useful: how to order food at a restaurant. You will see natural conversations and learn how to speak polite and professional English at a restaurant. If you are learning English and want to speak confidently in real life, you are in the right place. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Your support helps us a lot. So, let's start. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Sure. My name is Jimmy, and I've been working as a waiter at East Restaurant since 2018.
That's great experience. Jimmy, I think ordering food is a skill that many people don't have, right?
That's right. You use the skill everywhere. In cafes, small restaurants, and big restaurants.
Jimmy, when a customer enters a restaurant, what is the first question a waiter usually asks?
The waiter usually says, "Hello, how can I help you?"
And how should a customer reply?
You can say politely, "I would like a table for two, please."
What does the waiter say when the customer sits down?
The waiter usually asks, "Are you ready to order?" You can say, "Yes, I'm ready," or "Can I see the menu, please?"
Jimmy, what is a common mistake people make?
Many people say, "Menu," or "Give me menu." This sounds rude. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Very nice. When customers see the menu, what does the waiter usually ask?
The waiter says, "Can I get you any ply? Just water for me, please." Or, "I'll have an orange juice."
Good. What if I don't know what to eat?
You can ask, "What do you recommend? What is today's special?"
Great. These questions help a lot.
Yes, and waiters like these questions.
Okay, Jimmy, now I'm ready to order. What should I say?
You should say politely, "I would like the grilled fish, please." Or, "Can I have a hamburger and fries, please?" Many people say, "I want burger." Correct is, "I would like a burger, please."
Friends, listen carefully. Always say please. It makes your English polite and professional. What if I need more time to choose?
You can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
That's a very useful sentence. Jimmy, what does a waiter ask after the order?
After ordering, the waiter may ask, "Would you like any appetizers? Would you like dessert?"
Can you explain appetizers and dessert?
Of course. Appetizers are small dishes before the meal, like soup or salad. Dessert is sweet food after the meal, like cake or ice cream.
What if someone has questions about food?
They can ask, "Is this dish spicy? Does it have cheese?"
That's very helpful, especially for people who don't like spicy food. Jimmy, can customers ask about prices?
Yes, of course. They can say, "How much is the pasta? What's the price of the soup?"
What do waiters say when food arrives?
We usually say, "Here you go," or "Enjoy your meal."
And what should customers say?
"Thank you," or "It looks delicious."
What if something is wrong with the food?
Speak politely. "Excuse me, this soup is cold." "Sorry, this is too spicy for me."
Very polite and professional. How do we ask for the bill?
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I get the check, please?"
Good to know both. How can customers pay?
They can ask, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Do you take credit cards?" And usually, people leave a 10 to 15% tip.
Jimmy, what about allergies or special diets?
Very important. You can say, "I'm allergic to peanuts." "I'm vegetarian." "Does this have milk in it?"
This keeps people safe. Very important. And if I want to take food home?
You can say, "Can I get this to go?" Or, "Can I have a takeaway box?"
Thank you so much, Jimmy. You taught us professional English for restaurants.
You're welcome. Practice every day and speak with confidence.
Friends, today you learned how to order food, how to ask questions, How to speak politely. Comment below. What is your favorite food? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Street Talk. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode.